just me, Math Puppy, here to teach you some math. Today we're going to continue learning about area and adding on a new thing called perimeter. For today's lesson, you will need a table. I hope you have one, and I know you're probably sitting at one right now. We're going to play a little game I like to call Perimeter Goes Around. So, after you watch this video, you'll get to do this. For now, just listen. In just a second, you're going to stand up and you're going to skip around the perimeter of the table. Watch my little magnifying glass as it does it. You're going to go, perimeter goes around, perimeter goes around. I love to learn this math, perimeter goes around. And then you're going to keep going until I say stop, right? And then every once in a while, I'm going to leap and I'm going to say, area, and you're going to slap your hands onto the middle of the table where you would measure area, because you'd measure area in here, right? Okay, you ready? Let's try it out. Perimeter goes around, area, slap it down. Perimeter goes around, area, slap it down. I love to learn this math, perimeter goes around, area. Perimeter goes around, perimeter goes around, perimeter goes around, area. All right, good job, guys. That was just our real quick, fun review. Wish I could do it with you in person. All right, now another fun thing we're going to do to warm up our brains is this amazing song I found about how to find area and perimeter. This should be a review from Tuesday. Let's dive in.
It's the year 2060 and you're colonizing Mars. You're about to buy a plot of land, but you have a dog and you want to make sure he has enough space to run around. You also want to build a fence so he can't escape. So first you want to know how big the backyard is, and then you want to know how far it is around. To figure this out, you have to find
the area. That's the space inside. For a rectangle, its length and width are multiplied. Perimeter, the distance around the shape. Just add the sides together and then you'll be great with the area. That's the space inside. For a rectangle, its length and width are multiplied. Perimeter, the distance around the shape. Just add the sides together and then you'll be great. Yeah, here I am on Mars, trying to find out the size of my backyard. Well, it's a rectangle, right? So what if we cut it into squares of the same size that are 1 unit long by 1 unit wide? These are called square units. Add them all up, surprise! You got 72 square units, or feet, cause that's the unit we're using. Well, who has time to count squares? Length times width is the quickest way to get there. Yeah, that's how you find the area. A nice little formula that'll take care of ya. And I need to hurry cause my dog is starving. Let's find the area so I can feed Marvin. My yard is 9 feet long by 8 feet wide. I get the area when I multiply each side. And 9 times 8 is 72. But here's another way for you to think it through. Basically, you take the rows and figure how many square units fit inside of those. Yo, my backyard is wide, 8 feet. So that's 8 rows with 9 square units in each. So multiply the 8 rows by the 9 square units, you get 72. Yup, you knew it. The area, that's the space inside. For a rectangle, its length and width are multiplied. And perimeter, the distance around the shape. Just add the sides together and then you'll be great with the area. That's the space inside. For a rectangle, its length and width are multiplied. And perimeter, the distance around the shape. Just add the sides together and then you'll be great. Now I've got my area for my yard on Mars, and there's plenty of room for Marvin to live large. But now I need a fence, cause I heard the animals on Mars could be intense. So I'll need a perimeter, the distance around my whole yard. How do you get it? Yeah, just add up the length of the sides. 9 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9's a perimeter of 34 feet. And oh yeah, that's regular units and not units squared. So let's take a look from another angle. To get the perimeter of a square or rectangle, you add 2 widths plus 2 lengths. Here's a formula, don't forget to say thanks. 2 times length plus 2 times width to get a square or rectangle's perimeter quick. So let's try it with my Martian backyard. Come on, get ready, y'all. It's not that hard. 2 times the length of 9 is 18, and 2 times the width of 8 is 16, and 16 plus 18 is 34. Now, if I could stop Marvin from making a dirty floor. Come on, Marvin. Seriously.
Oh, Marvin. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed that. If you like it, you want to find it online, it's How to Find Area and Perimeter by Flowcabulary on YouTube. The last thing we want to do before we're all done is we're going to just do a quick practice, and then I will release you all to do your independent practice. So on Tuesday, we did a little bit similar where I had a pond and we were trying to measure the square units of the pond. And here they're just giving us a new code so that we can break up a full square unit into half of a square, or change it so that we take this as a full square and like combine it together. So this is their example. They've got a perfect oval here. And of course we can count 1, 2, 3. And then here on these extras, we're going to call that maybe 4, 5, 6, 7.5 maybe. They said 8. I guess I'll agree with that. All right, let's come down here on 10 and give it another go. 1, 2, 3, 4. These ones are so close, right? And they just have that little bit left. Let's say that maybe plus these extras would make it whole. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 square units. It's about 6 square centimeters, excuse me. All right, let's do 2 more. Down here, this one's a wavy line, but you notice how the pattern is the same on the top to the bottom gap? Okay. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to plan this out a little bit. So I see there's an extra over here, extra here. I think those 2 extras are enough to add on to here, but this is probably going to be half. I don't think that I can make it to whole here. So let's call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's call this 8.5, 9, 10, 10.5. We'll say 10 3/4 maybe even. All right, and then down here, oh, this is a weird shape. This is hard to plan. All right, we'll just start over here. This is a half. We'll call that a whole because of these extras down here. So 1.5, 2.5, 3.5. We'll call those halves together, making 4.5. 5, because that's about half. 6, 7. I'll add those little extras down here to make 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, 10, 11.5. We'll call that 11.5 square inches. So again, it's not an exact science, but this is to help you guys build some advanced estimation skills. All right, I hope that helped you guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments for me for today, and then you are free to go and do your independent practice. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.